Okay, this is a shelf out of a fridge in a caravan, and unfortunately we've had a few bumps on the road and we have broken off this section of the shelf in the fridge. Consequently, all the contents have gone everywhere. It's not the first time this has happened, and I'm about to walk you through my 4-stage repair on this part of the fridge shelf. Now the shelf is only supported by this part of the plastic here, and this is generally where it snaps off. So the first stage of my repair is to get that bit of plastic back, 5mm alloy, and glue that section back in. As you can see in here, that's where the crack was, and just so you can get everything back into the right place and you got the thicknesses correct when we build it back up again. So 5mm alloy and put the broken bit back on. Part 2 of my repair is to get some aluminium. A bit of aluminium angle I've got left over from another job, and covers the entire section of the shelf ledge. This is the other end with no broken bit. So the aluminium plate goes right across that area there, so it gives it strength and support, and we're going to glue that into place with full strength arrowlight, the 24-hour setting variety, and let that cure, and that will give it support over the broken bit. Now I'm not one for glue only, I'm a glue and screw guy, so what we now need to do is put a screw in there to give it some strength. However, we'll be screwing into some plastic that's only about 1mm thick, maybe a bit over 1mm thick, which is inadequate. So what we're going to do, because the screw will be going in through about here, is I'm going to fill this section of the shelf tube here with epoxy. So that'll give the screw something to bite into. So that's what we've done down here. We've put epoxy into about here. Now you've got to do a test fit before the epoxy goes off to make sure you haven't obstructed any of the slide area here that goes into the door moulding. So you can see up into there, but there's the epoxy. That's what we've used. Sellies need it, polymer repair compound. It's a 2-part thing, you just knead it together and jam it in, pack it in nice and tight, and we've got something for the screw to bite into. So we're now up to the final stage. We're going to drill some holes, a hole, stainless steel screw, and hopefully strengthen it off.